Good day, I'm Laura Ann Kaintoy from Visayas 301A. I am going to discuss simple linear regression analysis, a topic from Statistical Analysis with software application.
Hi everyone, in this video we will be discussing simple linear regression analysis. So let us define what is regression analysis. So it is a simple statistical tool used to model the dependence of a variable on one or more explanatory variables. Pero yung simple linear regression guys, one explanatory variable na siya. So one dependent, one independent variable. So the functional relationship may then be formally stated as equation with associated statistical values that describe how well this equation fits the data. So in simple linear regression analysis, we will use an equation. So yung equation na yun, gagamitin natin to predict a value of the independent and dependent variable. So pwede natin gamitin para ma-solve ang independent or dependent variable using the equation that we will get from regression or simple linear regression analysis. Okay, so here is the equation that we will use to predict the value of dependent or independent. Actually, pwede siyang dalawa guys. So, dependent or independent variable. So, the equation is y is equal to a plus bx. Y is the dependent variable. Yung x dyan is the independent variable. Yung letter A is the intercept. And then yung letter B is the slope. So, meron tayong additional formula na gagamitin for slope and intercept. So basically guys, ginagamit natin ang regression analysis para ma-predict natin yung dependent variable from the given set of data using the independent variable, yung letter X natin. Okay? So, para mas maintindihan pa natin, let us have an example. So, a teacher desires to know whether the typing speed of a ComSci student is related to the time. Given the speed of students, or the X, and the corresponding time it will take for him to learn the word processing program, predict the time it will take the average student who has a typing speed of 72 words per minute to learn the word processing program. So, itong teacher na daw na to, gusto niyang malaman kung related daw ba yung speed ng isang estudyante, speed when it comes to typing words per minute. So, related daw ba yon yung speed ng estudyante in typing words per minute to the time to learn the word processing program. So, here is the given set of data. So, ito guys, yung speed na to, ang tinutukoy dito ay, hindi yan minutes ha, yan yung words per minute. Okay? And then, itong time na to, ang tinutukoy dito na time, minutes to, ayan, kasi naka-minutes tayo. Pero, ang tinutukoy dyan guys, yung, ito, ayan. Okay? So, time, it will take time it will take for him to learn the word processing program. Okay? In terms of minutes. Kasi naka-minutes tayo parehas. Word per minute. So, itong time na to guys, naka-minutes din siya. Pero, ito yung time for him to learn the word processing program. Okay? So, para masagot natin yung hinahanap dyan. So, ang tinutukoy dito guys, kung 72 dito, ayan, kasi words per minute. So, nagbigay siya. Kung ang estudyante, ang speed niya in words per minute, in typing words per minute is 72 words per minute. Okay, gaano naman siya katagal it will take for him to learn the word processing program. So, yun yung gusto niyang malaman. Okay? So, ang solution niyan is this one. Okay, so ayusin natin yung mga data natin in vertically manner. So, ayan, from here, horizontally, ayan, gagawin natin siyang vertical arrangement. So, ito yung speed natin. Speed in words per minute to, guys. Ito naman yung time in minutes din, pero time in learning the word processing program. Yun yung time na tinutukoy dyan. Okay? So, ang gagawin nyo, mag-a-add kayo ng dalawang columns, which are x squared and xy. So, kukunin natin yan. Siyempre, alam nyo na to. Ibig sabihin ng x squared, itong speed na to, or yung x variable natin, i-squared lang natin yan. Okay? So, let us have yung calculator. So, 45 squared. So, 2,025. Lagay lang natin dyan. And then, sunod na x is 68. So, 68 squared. So, 4,624. Okay, next one would be 69. So, 69. Sorry, 69. is 4,761. And the next one is 45. Galag yung natin. 2,025. Actually, pareho sila natin. 2,025. Next one would be 58. So, 58 squared. So, 3,364. And then the last one is 55 squared. So, 3,025. Okay? Next column would be XY. So, syempre, alam nyo na yan. Ginawa na natin yun sa Pearson tsaka sa Spearman. I-multiply nyo lang yung X and Y variable. So, I will multiply 45 multiplied by 85. So, that would be our first value of XY. So, 3,825. 3,825. Next one would be 68 multiplied by 67. So, 4,556. Okay, next one would be 69 times 56. So, 3,864. And then, 45 times 78 is 3,510. Last two, so 58 multiplied by 68. So, 3,944. And then the last one would be 55 multiplied by 89. So, 4,895. 4,895. Okay. Next one would be the sigma or summation of all the columns. So, i-add nyo lang guys lahat ng columns. So, I will have summation of x, which basically means the addition of all values in the x column. Summation of y. Ayan. Summation of x squared. And then the last one is summation of xy. So, i-add natin lahat ng columns. Let's have muna yung x. So, 45 plus 68 plus 69 plus 45 plus 58 plus 55. So, 340. Next one, summation of y column. So, 85 plus 67, 56, 78, 68, 89. So, 443. 443. Next one is the summation of x squared. So, 2025 plus 4624, 4761, 2025, 3364, and 3025. So, 19,824. And then the last one is the summation of xy. So, 385 plus 456, 3864, 3510, 3944, 4895. So, the answer is 24,594. So, 24,594. Okay, after that, we will be solving for the values of A and B. Okay, so solve na natin yung values ng A and then yung B. So, A natin, dito na lang. Ayan. So, ito yung formula natin, guys. Alam nyo naman yung pagkakaiba nito at saka nito, di ba? So, pag sinabi natin summation of x squared, okay, ito yon mismo, summation of x squared. Pero pag sinabing summation of x, quantity squared, so nasa loob ng parenthesis yung summation of x, ito yun. And then you will square the value. Okay? So, kopyahin lang natin lahat. So, summation of y, 443. Okay? Times, ito, summation of x squared. So, 19,824. Okay? Minus, summation of x daw. Ito na tayo. So, summation of x is 340. Multiplied by the summation of xy, 24,594. Okay? All over. So, sa baba, n. Ang n natin dito guys is 6 because we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So, meron tayong 6 samples dito. So, therefore, ang n natin is 6. Multiplied by the summation of x squared. Ito guys, so nasa loob sila lahat ng parentheses yung summation of x squared. Therefore, ito yung tinutukoy niya. 19824. Okay? Minus summation of x quantity squared. So, 340 yan and then squared. Okay? So, ito yung sa calcu. So, fraction yan, guys. So, lalagyan ko siya ng fraction and then I will copy all the values. So, 443 times 19,824 Okay, minus parenthesis 340, parenthesis 24,594, close parenthesis, and then baba nyo siya, ayan, and then I will type 6 times 19,824 minus 340 and then square. Ayan. And then you press equal sign. So 125.62 na yan, guys. This is 9 yung sunod ng 1. So 125.62. Okay? Now let us have yung letter B. Okay, let's have yung letter B. So sundan lang natin itong formula, n daw. So ang n natin is 6 times summation of xy. So 24,594. Okay, close parenthesis, minus, open parenthesis, summation of x. So 340, close parenthesis, open parenthesis, summation of y. So 443, all over. Okay, so n ulit is 6, multiplied by the summation of x squared. So ito yun, 19824. Okay, minus summation of x, which is 340 squared. Actually, same sila ng denominator. Si a and b. So, pwede i-copy na lang yung denominator. Okay, so, i-calculate natin siya. Ayan. So, fraction ulit yan, guys. So, 6 multiplied by 24,594, close parenthesis, minus, open parenthesis, 340 times 443 over 6 times 19,824 minus 340 squared. So, ang makukuha natin sagot, fraction ESD nyo lang. Ayan. So, negative 0.91. Doon lang tayo sa second decimal place. So, negative 0.91. Negative 0.91. Okay, if you're wondering how to solve this using a single liner calculus. So, hindi naman tayo lahat may calculus na ganito, diba? So, pagka isi-single line calculus nyo siya, guys, ang gawin niyo is you put another parenthesis in the numerator and the denominator. So, kung ang calculus nyo naman ay itong may fraction, walang problema as is. So, kung ang calculus nyo, single line, yan, lagyan nyo lang siya ng another parenthesis sa taas at sa ilalim. And then, you're good to go. Dire-diretso. Since single line, wala kayong fraction na ganito. So, kopyahin ko lang siya as is. From here, yung dinagdag ko, sasama ko rin yung dinagdag ng parenthesis. Tsaka rin sa baba. So, pag kinopya ko yan, magiging dalawang parenthesis, 443. Okay, close parenthesis, open, 19824. Close, minus, dire-diretso guys, 340, close, open parenthesis, eto na tayo, nandito na tayo, ito, yan, okay, and then 24,594, so dalawa, ayan, dalawa, kasi dinagdag ko tong, dinagdag ko na isa pang parenthesis, and then I will use divide, okay, kasi division yan, so open parenthesis, sa baba na tayo, 6 times 19824, close, minus 340, close parenthesis, and then I will put square, and then close parenthesis, equals, ayan. So, same answer, 125.60. Okay? So, basically, kapag ka ang calculus nyo ay single liner, just add another two sets of parentheses, sa numerator and denominator. Ito rin, guys. Ganito rin dito. So, lagyan nyo rin lang dito ng pang single line na calculus. Kung single line ang calculus nyo, lagyan nyo lang dito. So, magiging open 6, open 24,594, close parenthesis, minus, open parenthesis, 340, close, times 443, tapos dalawa. Ayun, no? Ito. Yan. So, as you can see, dalawa yung nandyan. So, I will put 2 parenthesis. And then, divide. So, divide. Okay, and then open. Nasa denominator na tayo. 6 times 19824. Close parenthesis. Minus 340. Okay. And then squared. Close parenthesis. Pag equals nyo, guys, you will get the same answer. Negative 0.91. Okay? So, ang gawin nyo na lang, kapag single line ang calculus nyo, i-modify nyo na lang itong formula. You put another parenthesis here, dito, here, and then here. Okay? Para lang yan sa mga single. Ayan. Mga single liner na calculus. Okay? Now, so balik tayo. Na-solve na natin yung A and B. So, punta tayo dun sa equation. So, anong gagamitin natin na equation? Ito, y is equal to A plus bx. Okay? So, ang y natin, y pa rin siya. Okay, yung a natin, papalitan natin ito na compute natin na a. So that would be 125.62. Plus, itong b natin, papalitan na natin siya ng negative 0.91. Ito yun, na-compute natin. Multiplied by x. Okay? So, y is equal to 125.62. So, negative 0.91 times x, that would be negative 0.91x. Diba? Parang ano lang yan, 5 times x, 5x. So, ayan, negative 0.91 multiplied by x is negative 0.91x. Siyempre guys, positive multiplied by negative is negative. So, ang magiging final equation natin is 195.62 minus 0.91x. Okay? So, ito yung equation natin para sa example nito. Ibig sabihin, ito yung regression niya dito sa example na to. Now, to answer the question, ang question natin kanina, wait lang, ito. Yan. So, meron na tayong equation, which is y is equal to 125.62. So, 125.62 minus 0.91x. So, 0.91x. Okay? So, nagbigay siya dito ng 72 words per minute. So, yung tinutukoy na 72 words per minute, that is x. So, basically, pagka nagbigay ng x, ang hahanapin yung y. Kasi ang hinahanap dito, time will it take the average student to learn the word processing program. So, ito yung time na hinahanap si y. Kasi yung speed dito, guys, ang tinutukoy dyan yung words per minute. Okay? So, ang hinahanap dito ay si y, and then nagbigay siya ng speed na 72. So, to answer the question, ang gagawin nyo is substitute nitong 72 na binigay doon sa problem dito para makuha natin yung time. So, y is equal to 125.62 minus 0.91 times yung x na binigay, which is 72 words per minute. And then, salpak nyo lang sa calcu. Dire-diretso yan, guys. Single line o double line or kung ano mang calcu nyo, pare-parehas lang yan. Okay, minus 0.91 times 72. Ayan. So, equals, ang answer is 60.1. So, y is equal to 60.1 minutes. Since minutes to. Ibig sabihin, kung 72 words per minute ang speed ng estudyante para sa pagta-type ng words per minute, ito, magiging 60.1 minutes yung time to learn the word processing program. So, therefore, it will take the student 60.1 minutes to learn the word processing program if he types or if he has a speed of 72 words per minute. Okay? So, yun. So, ang sagot natin is this one, 60.1 minutes to answer the question in this problem. Now, if we have follow-up questions, for example, this one, how long will it take a student who has a typing speed of 64 words per minute to learn the word processing program? So, nagbigay na naman siya ng words per minute. Eh, di ba dun sa words per minute, that is our x variable. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, ang hinahanap na naman dito ay letter y. So, gagamitin nyo lang, gagamitin yung nakuha ninyong equation para dito sa problem ito. So, 125. So, ang y natin is 125.62 minus 0.91x. So, x ang binigay. Therefore, kasi words per minute, ang hinahanap is the time will it take to learn the word processing program. So, ang hinahanap ay x. So, papalitan ulit natin yung x. Ang hinahanap yung y. So, ang papalitan natin is yung x. So, 0.91 times yung binigay na 64. Okay? So, 125 125.62 minus 0.91 multiplied by 64. Ayan. So, ibig sabihin, guys, 67.38. 67.38 minutes. So, that is our final answer to this question to. So, ibig sabihin, kung ang student who has a typing speed of 64 words per minute, it will take 67.38 minutes for him to learn the word processing program. Okay? Next question. Next follow-up question. How fast a student B in typing words in order to learn the word processing program in just 50 minutes. So, ang binigay naman dito guys ay hindi yung words per minute. Yung binigay na time to learn the word processing program. So, ibig sabihin letter Y. Dalawa lang naman ibibigay dyan guys. Yung X natin kasi yung words per minute or speed ng isang estudyante in typing words per minute. Yung Y naman natin dyan is the time to learn the word processing program. Yun. Okay? So, ang binigay dito is the time to learn the word processing program, which is 50 minutes. So, basically, that is letter Y. So, ang hinahanap dito ay X. So, ang papalitan nyo yung letter Y. So, same formula or same equation, Y is equal to 125.62 minus 0.91x. Pero papalitan ko yung Y. So, I will have 50 here equals, so 125.62 minus 0.91x. So, to get the value of x, syempre, babalibag nyo itong 125. Magiging 50 minus, so magiging negative siya from positive. So, 125.62 equals negative 0.91x. Okay, so 50 minus 125.62 is negative 75.62. So, ang sagot dito is negative 75.62 equals negative 0.91x. So, to get the value of x, syempre, di-divide natin siya both sides by negative 0.91, diba? Para x na lang matitira. So, negative 0.91, negative 0.91. So, cancel to, makukuha natin yung x. So, x would be, so divide ko na to, negative 75.62 divided by negative 0.91. So, ang sagot is 83.10 na to guys. Kasi 8. So, 83.10. So, 83.10 words per minute. Okay? So, a student should be typing 83.10 words per minute to learn the word processing program in just 50 minutes. Okay? So, that is how you use the equation in linear regression. Okay? So, ang gagawin nyo guys, i-compute nyo muna yung equation. Kasi by that given equation, pwede kayong makapag-compute ng maraming independent and dependent variables that involves in the given problem. So, itong equation na to, hindi to applicable sa lahat ng problem. Dito lang. So, every problem, syempre, ibang equation. Go-compute nyo pa yung kanyang equation using A, B, and then substituting the values of A and B to the given equation, which is y is equal to A plus bx. Okay? So, that is it for the simple linear regression.